Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Ankit Jha. I'm a dentist practicing in Indirapuram, Ghaziabad. And today I want to talk to you about my experience with digital marketing agencies and what all you should be looking at when you are selecting a marketing agency to market your dental clinic. All of us get calls on a regular basis, either on a daily basis or a weekly basis, from a digital marketing agency claiming to be from Google or something else of that sort, claiming to increase our business, to increase our footfall, do Google ads for us, do Facebook ads for us. And it is very difficult to find out which one is genuine and which one is not. I have myself worked with around two or three agencies before I finally found the person that I was working with. So, and those people, I mean, it was not a very good experience. I lost a lot of money. And first thing that you need to do whenever somebody gives you a call or comes to meet you for such kind of service is that you need to take some references from them. Usually what happens is the people who are coming to pitch you about their services, they are not the same people who are going to be doing the work. As in, every company has a different sales team and a different service team. So in all probability, once you meet the person, once you pay the money, you're not going to be seeing the same person over again. And the people who are actually working on the ads with you, they might not be as ready for the ads or know as much about the ads or the dental market as such, and you might end up feeling disappointed, and I mean, you've already lost the money. So it's a very good idea, like whenever somebody is coming to pitch the product, the salesperson, you take three references from them and you make that person only call up those people, because most of the time they have not seen those people. Once they sell the package, then they keep the references, but they don't usually talk to ask feedback or anything of that sort. So it's a very good idea to just make them call up those people. It has happened to me multiple times. I won't name the company, but those people came to me and they were like, these many people have bought the services, they're very happy, they're using it for 6 months, they're using it for 12 months and all that. So I took the number. They thought I'll be calling, but I made them only call. And when they called, the doctor literally blasted them off that you have conned me, you have wasted so much of my money. I paid so much, nobody worked, I did not get a single patient, I did not get a single lead, and all that. So it's a very good idea to do that. If you call up the doctor, then also it's fine. And I usually don't necessarily call up a dentist only. I just take reference of any doctor, because I mean, any doctor, any physician, physiotherapist, anything else will do. Because in general, healthcare marketing is a lot different from product marketing or any other service marketing. For healthcare, mainly it's not about selling a product or selling a treatment or selling a service. It's more about building trust and the patients getting to know you, starting to build trust, starting to know about your treatments and everything. Like currently, what I have realized with my Facebook ads is that I don't usually market as such. I make patient awareness videos, I make videos on RCTs, on braces, on stuff like that, and I boost those ads on Facebook and YouTube and everything, and I get a lot of inquiries and a lot of patients from there. So that's why it's very important for any digital marketing agency who's working with a doctor or a dentist to know the difference between marketing in any other sector and marketing in healthcare. And that is where most of us go wrong. Most of these digital marketing agencies, they find out our numbers from Google and they directly call us, and they have a very they have a misconception that we earn a lot, and for us spending 10, 20, 30,000 per month is not a big deal. So a lot of times, these marketing agencies are not at all prepared for healthcare marketing, not at all prepared to work with doctors. They don't have any idea about the market segment, about what kind of keywords to be targeting. Like for example, for periodontic treatment, you need to target the parents. You need to educate them about what all can go wrong with their children's teeth. How can they be corrected, about interceptive orthodontics if they want to go for it, and all those things. So that was just a small example, and I mean, there are a lot of such examples. There are a lot of other permutations and combinations that you need to do, that your marketing agency needs to do, and that is only when your marketing is going to be successful. Otherwise, if you go with a digital marketing agency who has never done it for a doctor, who has never done it for a dentist, you will just be spending money, you will just be wasting time. You will be thinking that you've already paid the agency, now you're going to get a good inflow of patients, and they themselves are at a loss as to what to do and what not to do. Like there was one agency that I was working with for Google ads. They were asking me what keywords they should be targeting. Keywords are like the terms that people search on Google. So I bluntly told them that you are the marketing agency. You should be the ones researching about what all keywords are there, what all people are searching for, which keyword will give me more results, more patients, and all that. And they had absolutely no idea, because later on I found out that they had never worked with a doctor or never worked with a dentist before. So that was another lesson that I had learned that I want to pass on to you. So the main purpose of this video is that every person that comes to you, just take 3 references, speak to 1 or 2 doctors, speak to 3 doctors, then you will automatically know if they are worth investing in or if they are not worth investing in. And if they refuse to give you any references, then you don't need to entertain them any further, and you already know that they don't have any doctors that I have worked with, and you don't need to waste money with them. Apart from this, if you want to start digital marketing or something like that, or any marketing modality, and you need any help with it, if you need any advice with it, I'm more than happy to help you out with that. I have some experience and I can guide you with whatever experience I have. So at least you don't make the same mistakes that I did around 3 years back when I started my practice and I started marketing in it. So thanks a lot and all the best.